In previous lessons, we have learned that how to move game player and how to handle the collisions between game item and game boundaries. When game player collides with game item, game player its body will grow longer by one more block. Let's analyze the movements of game player. Game player can move in directions such as left, right, up, and down. It seems a little bit complicated, but the logic is quite simple and straightforward. No matter which direction it goes, each block will move to the position of previous block. For example, if game player has 4 body blocks, when player moves, position number 4 will go to position number 3. Position number 3 will go to position number 2. Position number 2 will go to position number 1. Position number 1 will get a new position. Open snake.ts file and the module folder. Create a new method named move. This method will implement the logic, how game player moves his body blocks. Here we create the for loop statements, define a counter variable named I, starting from bottom to top. Save the position X and Y of previous body block. We cannot directly access offset left property because the body element is not HTML element object. We need to do typecasting first. Next step, swap the position between current block and previous block. Where should we call this move method? Each time we set a new position X and Y of snake object, we will call this move function. In game.ts file, inside the collide with item function, after calling GameItem.update position and GameStatus increase score method, we call GamePlayer.addBodyBlock method to make GamePlayer moving his body blocks. And it seems player body grows longer and moving around, but each time the new body block appears in top left corner after colliding with game item. Let's fix this bug. The solution is simple. We are hiding the new body block each time after collision. When player moves again, we will show the new body block. In style.list file, define a new class named .show and set display value to none. Then go back to snake.ts file. Inside add a body block function, add .show class to the new div block. In move methods, create a conditional statement. If current body block has a class name .show, remove this class to make a new block visible to the page. If you are not familiar with this solution, check JavaScript documentation about the class list. Our snake player looks not very impressive. Let's give it a quick decoration by adding a border to separate each body blocks. So far, our simple snake game has been completed. It looks very basic and rough, but this simple project has shown us how TypeScript can build a well-structured application. We haven't done our work yet. Next lesson, we will refactor our code again and talk some potential bugs.